Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get free gems and passes on episodes. So as you can see, I got tons. So I found a site where you can get them. It's called ogsnags.com. They have all these like discount codes and stuff. So they're a really cool site. You can see they have like royal match codes, township codes. But today we're doing episodes, so let's type it in. And as you can see, it says episode gems and passes. Fully working codes for gems and passes. So what we need to do, guys, is go ahead and press show coupon code. And once it generates it, we're just going to go ahead and press like get full code. And basically, guys, before we can get our code, it's going to bring us to this page where we need to choose whether we like super fast shipping, deals and promos, or member benefits. So I do not have a preference, but you guys can pick whichever one you want. So I'm going to do super fast shipping. So basically, guys, we now need to enter our email. So make sure you guys enter an email address that you can access, because obviously they're sending your episode code to this email. So as you can see, it says activating your reward. Now the final thing we have to do is complete this registration, which is obviously super important. So let me just go ahead and type in my name and stuff like this. It's totally safe to do so, guys, even though they are not going to send anything physical to your house, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and fill this in right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to type in all the information. All right, let me just go ahead and put this in. And then we just need to put in a state. So anyway, now we are going to be brought to the survey. So you do have to do a survey, guys, but it's pretty easy. So let me just do the survey right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to answer all the questions. Super simple stuff, guys, nothing too insane. So let's just go ahead and do the survey right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. Okay, now once you're done with the survey, guys, you will pretty much get your episode promo code, but unfortunately the survey does take at least a minute, so you guys will be with me for a second longer. So let's go ahead and answer all the questions, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and once we reach the end of the survey, we should see something that's like I agree and continue. So let's just see that, press that. Okay, so then we're going to see a new page, and it's going to tell us that we already did everything, and we should have our gems and passes. So let's just wait for this to load. And as you can see, just press no thanks. So it's going to bring us over here, and you can see that it's going to say like survey done. So it says survey done, optional offers finished. And then there's one more thing, the deals. You may have to do a deal. They're like download games or something, reach a certain level on the game. So as you can see, they have like this Monopoly Go one. But I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.